Hello and welcome to the very first episode of English Listening Practice, Slow and Clear Intermediate Level. I'm Ikra.
And I'm Altaf. In today's episode, we are going to help you improve your English listening skills. We'll talk slowly, clearly, and use intermediate level vocabulary.
Yes, this is perfect for learners who want to understand real English conversations better. So, let's begin with a friendly chat to help you learn naturally.
Sure, go ahead.
Altaf, can I ask you something? What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I usually wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and then I drink a glass of water. After that, I go for a short walk.
That sounds like a healthy routine. Do you eat breakfast before or after your walk?
I usually eat breakfast after my walk. I like to eat eggs, bread, and sometimes a banana. I also drink a cup of tea.
Nice. I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Yes, I agree. It gives you energy for the whole day. What about you, Ikra? What's your morning routine?
Well, I wake up around 7 o'clock. I make my bed, wash my face, and do a little stretching. Then I prepare breakfast. I enjoy oatmeal with milk and fruit.
That's great. Oatmeal is very healthy. Do you listen to anything while eating breakfast?
Sometimes I listen to music, but often I listen to English podcasts. It helps me improve my listening skills.
That's a smart idea. Many students ask how they can improve their listening. The answer is simple. Listen daily.
Yes, and it's also important to listen to slow and clear English first. Then later they can move to fast and natural conversations.
Exactly. That's why we're here, to help students practice in a fun and easy way.
Now let's talk about hobbies. Altaf, what hobbies do you have?
Good question. I enjoy reading books, watching English movies, and walking in the park.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like self-help books and books about learning. They inspire me.
And what about English movies? Do you watch with subtitles?
Yes, I usually watch with English subtitles. It helps me understand new words. What about your hobbies, Ikra?
I love painting and writing short stories. And just like you, I also watch English movies and TV shows.
Do you write your stories in English or your native language?
I try to write in English. It's a good way to practice grammar and vocabulary.
That's great advice. Writing in English improves your thinking and your speaking too.
Let's now talk about travel. Do you like to travel, Altaf?
Yes, I love it. Traveling helps us learn about new cultures, people, and languages.
Where have you traveled before?
I've been to some cities in Pakistan like Murree, Lahore, and Karachi. I hope to visit foreign countries one day.
Same here. I'd love to travel to the UK or the US to experience life there.
It would be great to visit English-speaking countries. It's the best way to improve your English.
Yes, because you hear and speak English all day. That makes a big difference.
Let's also talk about daily challenges in learning English. What problems do students usually face?
One big problem is understanding fast English. Many native speakers talk quickly, and learners can't catch every word.
True. That's why listening practice is important. When you listen regularly, you get used to the sounds.
Another challenge is pronunciation. Some students don't know how to say words the right way.
Yes, and if they listen carefully, they can hear the correct pronunciation and repeat it.
Also, many learners don't have someone to talk to. That makes speaking harder.
That's right. But if they listen more, they can learn how to respond, ask questions, and join conversations.
Now let's do a short role play for our listeners. It will help them understand a real-life English conversation.
Sounds good. Let's imagine we're at a coffee shop.
Okay. Good morning. What would you like to order?
Good morning. I'd like a cup of black coffee and a cheese sandwich, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
All right. Please wait at the table. I'll bring it to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was a simple example, but very useful. These types of conversations happen every day.
Exactly. And our listeners can practice with this conversation by repeating each sentence.
Yes, listening and repeating is a great way to train your ears and your mouth.
Before we end today's episode, let's quickly review what we've learned.
Sure. Today we learned how to talk about daily routines, hobbies, and travel. We also practiced a short role play at a coffee shop.
And we discussed some common challenges in learning English and how to solve them.
Most importantly, we practiced listening to slow and clear English at the intermediate level.
Remember, the more you listen, the better your English will become. So, keep practicing every day.
And don't forget to join us in the next episode for more useful listening practice.
Thanks for listening to English with Altaf.
Take care and keep learning English. Goodbye.
Goodbye.